Addams Family Theme. Short, sweet, quirky, perfect for the run-up to Halloween. The first version I teach is the recorded key with 2 bar chords, and I've included the interim notes. The second is an easier version using a capo on fret 1 and open chords. Starting with the intro. This is the first 4 notes of the F major scale and the first 4 notes of the G major scale. We are playing a triplet, which takes us into the first bar. So we're in 4/4 today. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We have our clicks on beats 2 and 3. I'll be muting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Our next beat 4 has the G major triplet. And then the 4th note is on beat 1. 2 more clicks. G again. 1. Then we have another triplet on beat 2. And then another triplet on beat 4, but back to the F. 1, 2, 3. So the whole sequence played slowed down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That sequence occurs twice before we go into the chord section. Moving on to the vocal section now with the chords. The chords we need for this are B flat, C7, F, back to B flat. We actually strum the emphasis on beats 2 and 4. So 1, B flat, 3, C7, 1, F, 3, B flat. So just short stabs to keep those accents in there. Adding the interim notes gives it a bit more of a creeping sound. This staggers the chord. For the B flat, we play open A, then first fret A with our index finger, and then fret the rest of the chord for beats 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2. Moving on to the C7, we take our middle finger, play 2nd fret A, 3rd finger to play 3rd fret A, and then fret the rest of the C7 chord for beat 4. Putting those 2 together, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Moving on to the F, open E string, 1st fret E string with the index finger, and put that bar chord down for beat 2. And then for beat 4, we go back to the B flat with the same pattern. So playing that through slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This cycles round again, but when we go to the final B on the second time, all we do is play 3rd fret A to 1st fret A. I'll play the second time round. 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. The whole verse sequence together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Du, 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 du. Du, 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 du. Here's a playthrough of the intro, the verse, the riff, and then the half verse at the end for you to hear how it's put together. Addams Family. They really are a school young. To get a witch you share along. This easier version uses the capo on fret 1, so we can still play in the same key, but use open chords. For this easier version, we will be playing the capo on fret 1. The chords we'll use are A, B7, and E. It's a 4-chord sequence, so we start on A, go to B7, to E, and back to A. We are going to play the chords in a 2-part sequence. So we will play the root note first for the A chord. This is the open A string. And then we'll play the remainder of the notes. When it's the B7, we will play the A string again, and then the remainder of the notes. And for the E, we will play the open E string, and then the remainder of the notes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. They're creepy and they're kooky. Addams Family. Here's how to play the riff with the capo on. The intro riff with the capo on plays open E, 2nd fret E, 4th fret E, open A, still the first 4 notes of the F major scale. The fingers I use for this make this much more efficient, so if you're able to do this, do have a go. We've got open E string, middle finger goes to 2nd fret, pinky goes to 4th fret, open A. When we change to the G scale, we play middle finger 2nd fret, pinky 4th fret, first finger 1st fret A, middle finger 2nd fret A. So joining those together, the riff sequence plays that round one more time. Here's a playthrough of the intro and the verse. 1, 2, 3. In this lesson, I show you how to play a finger-picking melody version of the Addams Family to get your Halloween kick. I'll see you next time.